Hi, today I'm going to make these paper double poppies. Very pretty, very easy to make. Materials I'm using are red crepe paper, black and green. These are all in double crepe paper. Green colored floral tape, brown colored pen and a wooden skewer. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil of petal A. This is 6 centimeters by 6.5 and the stem is 1.5 centimeter long. Petal B, this is 5.5 by 6 centimeters. So cut 5 pieces of both of these. Then this is petal C. This is 5.5 by 3.5. Cut 3 pieces. Petal D, this is 5 by 3 centimeters. Cut 6 pieces. Then this is petal E. This is 4.5 by 1.5. Cut 4 pieces. This is of the center. So this is 2.5 by 2.5. Cut 1 piece per flower. And this is of the stamen strip. So this is 10 centimeters by 1.5. Cut 1 piece. So these are all the pieces cut. So I'll start with the first one. We have to stretch them in different ways. So this is petal A. Just pull along the edge of the top side. You get this rippled effect and then just cup in the center. So I've already done with the others. Similarly with petal B, again like so. Petal C also in the same way. Then petal D, you have to curve it a bit and then just stretch the edge and cup in the center. And this is petal E. So this first you twist it in any way, in one direction or the other. So it becomes twisted like this, and then just stretch the top once. And these are the center and the stamen. Now take the stick and apply some glue on it. Take a bit of cotton wool and put it on top and just make it a circle. Just put it all together. Like this. Take the piece for the center, stretch it a bit, apply glue, and stick it on top of this. Like this. Now take the brown pen and just draw some lines across on this. Like that. Now take the piece for the stamen and stretch it a bit and then just cut fine strips along one side. Like this. So I'll just cut the entire piece. So this is how it is going to look. Now I'll just apply some glue on it and wind it on the center. After a couple of rounds, just pick up the petal E and stick it like this. And again another one. Like this. So now I'll stick the others. So we'll start with petal E and go backwards like towards petal A. Like so. Now petal D. A double poppy can have anywhere from 4 to 5 petals to up to 20 or so, 25. So I'll continue putting all these petals one by one. See, it's all coming together now. So I've stuck the smaller petals. Now we'll move on to the bigger ones, petal A and B's. So take petal B and just stick it at anywhere at random, and in the same way try to keep all the petals at the same height from the top. So now I'll just stick these one by one like this. So this is how it's going to look after all the petals are done. Now just take the green floral tape, stretch it and wind it from the base. If any petal like this one is opening up too much, you can just apply a little glue and stick it to the petal above. It's entirely your call. And this is how the flower would look. Made another one in the same way.